Welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here, and I am back with another video. So I've been in a huge need to trim my ends in I don't know, months. I don't want to say, I don't even know how long, but it's been a really long time. I'm starting to notice too much shedding, easy breakage, just stringy ends, and my curls aren't looking as nice as they usually do. I'm going to trim my hair for you guys. I'm also going to be twisting my hair up in flat twist after I'm done trimming it to show you guys the final look, I guess. So what I'm going to be using are hair clips, combs. I'm sorry, I got makeup all over this, but I'm using curls, Goddess curls, Gelle, and some water. So what I'm gonna do first is just section my hair. After I split my hair up into sections like so, I'm going to take a very, I'm not gonna say huge piece, but I'm gonna be doing big chunks of twist. I'm gonna spray, gently comb it out. I'm gonna take some of the Gelle, I'm gonna apply it to my twist, 2-strand twist it, do that. Whatever doesn't curl completely, you see how here it looks curled and then right here it looks just nasty and stringy. That's what I'm gonna be cutting. So I'm gonna twist it up as much as I can, and then I'm gonna cut off the end of my hair because this didn't curl up, and now my hair looks better in the curl. Boom. I'm gonna do that all around my head, and then I will be back to show you guys what it looks like. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't blow out my hair to trim my ends or or flat iron it or do anything like that, I do not use heat on my hair. I haven't used heat on my hair for a year and some change now. It's been a really long time. I chose to not use heat because number one, I'm definitely afraid of heat damage. Number two, it takes a lot of time and it's a lot of effort, and I just don't want to put that type of tension on my hair anymore. So I've been doing this no heat thing. I'm going to take these out and section my hair and do my flat twist. If you are interested in how I do my flat twist, I did do a video on it, link in description, or you can click the little long white thing that popped up. It is my favorite way of doing my hair, and it's pretty much the only way I do my hair when I want to have my curly fro out. I will show you guys tomorrow my final results of my trimming style. Taken out after I trimmed it, and it's so soft. It feels great. Honestly, it feels amazing. Now the curls aren't gonna be super defined because I have all my windows open and it just rained, so my hair is literally it's literally turning into an afro, but it's okay because it's a healthy, trimmed afro now. If you're interested in a natural girl just being natural and working with her hair in its natural state, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.